Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Azhar Islam Ridoy. I am from Jamalpur district, but right now I live in Ashulia Shabar, Dhaka. I complete my secondary school certificate in 2020 from Advocate Khalilur Rahman High School and my higher school certificate in 2022 from Shamsul Haq Degree College, Jamalpur. My result SSC with GPA 4.72 and HSC GPA 4.22. During my school days, I was an active member of the Blood Donation Club. At present, I am studying in the third year of Bachelor of Public Health program at Daffodil International University. I was serving as Communication Secretary of the Public Health Club, Daffodil International University, and organizing secretary of the DIU Research Society of my university. I am campus representative of BioLab. In the future, my goal is to become a public health professional who work to improve the health system of Bangladesh, especially in rural area where healthcare support is still limited. Apart from my study, I truly love traveling. Whenever I get a chance, I plan trips, sometimes with friends and sometimes with family. Thank you for watching. Outside of study, I am a person who loves watching movie and traveling. I have visited more places such as Coxbazar, Kuakata, Srimongol, Bandarbon and Kumilla. Traveling helps me understanding people, culture and lifestyle. I am truly passionate learning teamwork, traveling and contributing to public health innovative that can make positive impact in our society. Thank you for watching.